Hello there. There's a number of weather stories going on across the world. Well, let's have a look at just a couple of them in this bulletin. We'll start with Africa, and we've got a few things going on here. This area of low pressure will bring some wet, windy weather to parts of Egypt, into the eastern Mediterranean and the Levant for the next few days. The seasonal showers remain very active across central, southeastern areas, and I'm just focusing in here to the Madagascar region, just off the northeast coast. There's a cluster of pretty intense thunderstorms, which could, over the next few days towards the end of the week, show signs of circulation. So that potentially means we could see a tropical cyclone here. But even if one doesn't develop as we head on into the weekend, there's potential of some very heavy, perhaps flooding rain for Mauritius. So this is certainly one system to watch. Now for South Asia, we've had an awful lot of rainfall across parts of Pakistan and the northwest of India over the past week or so, with flash flooding and mudslides. This next area of low pressure has prompted authorities to issue a number of amber warnings for northern Pakistan, again, for the risk of some really violent thunderstorms, potentially some very large hail too, torrential rain, a risk of landslides again, and some significant snow over the Himalayas. Now, the threat of thunderstorms shifts a little bit further eastwards as we head on into Friday, with some welcome sunshine moving in its place. But further south across India, those temperatures will be on the rise into the mid-30s Celsius in places. Now into Australia, we've got a cluster of violent thunderstorms recently across the Gulf of Carpentaria. It's once these thunderstorms cross the Cape York Peninsula and push on into the warm waters of the Coral Sea is where we're likely to have some concerns. Now, there is a threat of a tropical cyclone developing here just off the coast of Queensland, but it does look like the models want to favour it remaining out in open waters, with just some thunderstorms brushing the New South Wales coast and Queensland's coast in the next few days. Another system to watch. Now, closer to home, we've got low pressure pushing in across the British Isles and Ireland. As we move deeper on into the week, you'll notice the very mild orange colours which we had for Tuesday ebbing away and being replaced by the blue colour. So it's set to turn colder over the next few days. Now, this weather front is the dividing line between the colder air in the north and much warmer air to the south. In fact, for Iberia, we're looking at temperatures well above the seasonal average. Another warm day on Thursday here, not as hot as what we'll have on Wednesday, where temperatures will reach the low 30s Celsius across parts of Andalusia. But it looks quite unsettled on Thursday across the British Isles. We've got this deeper area of low pressure, which will bring lots of showers with some snow over northern hills and widespread gale force winds. So Thursday is a day of sunshine and showers, wintry in the north, and it'll feel much colder and very windy too.